In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Robinhood account. Whether you've forgotten your password, can't access your email or phone number, or suspect unauthorized access, I've got you covered with clear, step-by-step instructions. Let's start with the scenario where you've forgotten your password. First, you'll need to go to the Robinhood website by typing in robinhood.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner. Here you'll see the Login option. Click on it to proceed. Now below the password field, you'll notice a small link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. It's important because this step ensures you're on the right track to recover your account. Once you click that link, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Robinhood account. Carefully type in your email address and click on Submit. At this point, Robinhood will send you a password reset email. If you don't see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails can get redirected there. Open the password reset email and click on the reset link provided. This link is crucial as it takes you to the page where you can create a new password. When creating your new password, make sure it's strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessed information as this step is vital for keeping your account secure. Once you've set your new password, sign into your Robinhood account. Now, let's address what to do if you can't access your email or phone number. In this case, you'll need to visit the Robinhood Help Center. Type in robinhood.com/is/en/support in your browser to reach the Help Center. From there, navigate to the Account and Login section. Click on View All and then select I Can't Log In. Here, you'll follow the identity verification process, which may require you to provide a government-issued ID. This step is essential because it helps Robinhood verify your identity and ensures that only you can access your account. If your account is locked or you suspect unauthorized access, it's crucial to act quickly. Head over to Robinhood support by visiting robinhood.com/contact. Here you can submit a support request or start a chat if that option is available. During this process, you'll need to verify your identity and explain the issue you're facing. Be as clear and detailed as possible. This helps Robinhood understand your situation faster and provides them with the information they need to assist you. After that, follow any instructions Robinhood provides to secure and restore access to your account. This ensures that your account is protected and that you can resume using it without any worries. A helpful tip to keep in mind is to enable two-factor authentication after regaining access to your account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. With that ready, you're now equipped with the knowledge to handle different scenarios when recovering your Robinhood account. Remember, staying calm and following these steps will help you regain access efficiently. Thanks for watching, and take care.